Standing parallel, hands on your waist to start, and then feeling the thigh, both legs together in parallel. 5 toes on the floor, heels and toes, the weight distribution is even. And just standing and feeling your chest lower down, the back expand, and then the pull up coming from that spine in your back, coming from your lower back into the ground, both ways extending up and down. And just standing, relaxing your neck, finding the straightness in your spine, and then just feel, what does it feel like to stand calmly, straightly, as neutral as possible. And then here, we're just gonna start turning up, demi-plie, stretch, and in, demi-plie, stretch, up, demi-plie. Still feeling that spine straight as you plie. And remembering, every time we plie, we breathe in so that we expand our spine up and down in your body. Okay, let's do a few times together. Plie, stretch, plie, stretch. Second set, plie. 4 sets without the arm, plie. Third set, demi-plie. Long spine each time, long spine, stretch. Last set, stretch, parallel, plie, stretch, turning up, demi-plie, stretch. Last one, demi-plie, stretch. From here, we're gonna add the arm. Simple for the bra first, 5th, 2nd, bra bar. You ready? Same like previously. And we go as we plie, turning up, move the arm, stretch. In, moving the arms, stretch. Up, moving the arms, stretch. In, moving the arms, stretch. Up, demi-plie. In, demi-plie. And up, demi-plie. And in, moving the arms. And third set, plie, stretch, parallel. 5th, stretch, turning up, 2nd, stretch, turning in, brava. Last set, up, demi, stretch, parallel, bringing up to 5th, 2nd, stretch, parallel, demi, and we just finish here. Our preparation, the music starts. We go 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Arm to 2nd. Upper back really widening into the front of your chest. The front of the chest is relaxed. So the pull up is from that back side lifting upwards. Okay. Preparation 5, 6, 7, 8. Demi-plie and demi. 4 times. Open arm to 2nd. As you plie, you move your arm, same thing. Rising up in 2 counts. And then 1 count, 3, 4, lower 5, 6. Slowly here, changing position to 2nd. Demi-plie, stretch. Demi-plie, breathe in, stretch. Demi-plie, stretch. Demi, stretch. Rising up in 2, 2. Arm first, open 2nd, lower down, into, tendu, 4th position, demi-plie, stretch, demi, stretch, demi, stretch, demi, back still straight, rising up into, and arms to 1st open, 2 counts lowering down, tendu, closing 5th, and demi, stretch, demi, stretch, demi-plie, stretch, open arm to 2nd, stretch, rising up into, 2 counts, arms to 1st, open 2nd, lowering down into, and tendu, just finish in 1st. Arms to 2nd position, demi-plie, move the arms, long spine each time, demi-plie, longer spine, and as you breathe in, you plie, let the spine really lengthen. 2 counts, slowly rising up. 2 and 3. Arm open 2nd. In first position facing the bar. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. First. Tendu with plie. Tendu with plie. To the side. A tendu. Up. And in. Tendu up, demi plie. And up, demi plie. Sing to the back. Heel, ball. A toe. And first. To the back, demi plie. And back, demi plie. Long to the front. To the side. To the back. First demi plie. And then reverse from the back. Heel, ball. A toe coming in. Tendu back. Plie. To the back. Plie. And a side. A ball. A toe. And in. And up. Remember that one straight line in the inside of your foot. And the front. A ball. A toe. A first. Straight line. Heel drawing to the front. One to the back. Heel drawing straight line. To the side. Straight line. To the front. Demi plie. And stretch. And we go to the other side. Tendu to the front. We start with the heel. Engage toe. Coming back to first. Tendu out. Demi plie. Long slide. Out. Demi plie. Long slide. To the side. A ball. Tendu. Into first. Long spine. Demi plie. Keep that spine long. Demi plie. To the back. A ball. Feel the back of your knees long. Tendu. Demi plie. Out. Demi plie. Long to the front. One line to the side. One line heel drawing to the back. With a demi plie. Long spine. From the back. A heel. A ball. Toe. Close first. Demi plie. Remembering the back leaning against the wall and heel. A ball. A toe. And first. And out. Demi plie. Drawing one line out. Plie to the front. A ball. A toe. Close first. Standing tall. Like how we start. Demi plie to the back. And to the side. One line. Straight to the front. And just finish straight line. Hands off the bar. Testing how you're standing in your straight line. Feel that spine long. The chest into that wall. Belly button into the wall. Lengthening your spine. First position preparation 5, 6, 7, 8. Also same thing, heel and a ball. Off the floor, ball. Demi point. Off the floor, coming into heel. A first. 2 times in first. 3, a 4. Crossing to the 5th position. And tendu into first. Same to the back. And a heel. And a ball. Off the floor, demi point. Off the floor, demi point. Coming in to first. And off the floor in first. Off the floor in first. 3rd time, cross that leg. Tendu closing first. To the side. A ball. Off the floor and demi. Off the floor and demi. Coming into first. 2 more times. In first. Off and in. Up, closing back. Front. Stay. And then we have front. First. Shot out. Shot in. Shot out. Shot in. Encore. Shot in. And quicker. This time. 3, 4. Finish. Demi plie with your 5th position. First position. And a heel. And a ball. Off the floor. Use that foot. And into first position. 2 more. In first. 3rd time crossing to 5th. And tendu. Heel or toe to the back. And off the floor. Demi. Off the floor. Demi. Coming into first. And 2 off the floor. easy to do Jete just off the floor, but it gets harder when you need to have that extension, like feeling of the leg extending. Remember, Tendu is an extension. Jete is slightly off the floor. You still have that stretch in your foot. And then balancing here. Now we're gonna learn the fourth lesson today is your rond de jambe. So rond means circle, circling of the leg. Jambe is leg. Imagine if you have a point 1 here. The first point is in front. We have tendu elastic on side, and we have tendu to the back. The 3 points. So right now we're circling the leg. So from point front to the side, you want to go the longest point to point 2. And then one longest point to point 3. Tendu back, coming in through your demi point into first position. Heel ball toe, tendu front, circling to the side, circling to the back. And then heel ball toe coming in. And then often we will repeat that a few times. So you're circling that leg, drawing a half circle on the floor. The reverse means we're going from the back to the front. And it's called on the jaw towards your supporting side. So we're going from tendu derrière, coming back, elastic coming back to your supporting side. So we have in first position, preparation 5, 6, 7, 8. We have a 1, tendu front, heel ball toe, and the side, coming in, and the front, and the side, coming in, and the front, a side, a back, a first, a run, a 6, a through first position, one more time, close, semi plie, stretch from the back, reverse, on the down, heel ball toe up to the side, close first, heel ball toe to the side, toe ball heel, and pull, a side, a front, through first position. First semi plie, and a stretch. You're just gonna go forward, forward bend, 2, and 3, 4, semi plie, relevé, semi plie, relevé, semi plie, relevé. Slow coming down 3 times. Back bend, 2, 3, 4, semi plie, relevé, semi plie, relevé, semi plie, relevé, and then just slowly coming down.